In the sunny jungle, Mina the monkey, Orion the owl, and Pip the parrot discover a missing musical note powering the day. They chase clues through playful riddles, learning pitch, tempo, and teamwork as they sing from clue to clue. A bright chorus teaches counting beats while they swing on vines and share snacks, inviting the audience to clap. The final note hides in a whispering waterfall, and listening brings the whole forest back to rhythm. They celebrate with a joyful dance, proving curiosity plus cooperation make every adventure brighter for friends far and wide.